Hello friends, this is Dr. Sam, one and only. So I am a professor and I am an author of several books, and am a founder and CEO of a startup company. I founded that and it's a multi-million dollar business. I am the author of this book, PMP, Best PMP Guide, and you can find this on Amazon. It is one of the best sellers. It keeps changing all the time, but for some time it has been there. Yeah, and this book actually is good for you in many ways, in the sense the whole PMBOK guide, 700 pages, 6th edition, 7th edition, process group guide 2023, they're all captured in 70 pages. Then there's an agile guide in 30 pages. And then each topic has questions to answer, which are very similar to the real exam questions you will find on the actual PMP exam. So yeah, and then at the end is a full 4-hour mock exam, which you should take in one sitting. And if you do that in one sitting, I can tell you that you will experience something very close to the real exam. And if you get a 65%, this very strong chance, 99% that you should get your PMP. So it is a lot of hard work, diligent work, sincere work, genuine effort to help you get certified and move on in your career. I also I'm on the Forbes Technology Council. I'm also on the Harvard Business Review advisory board. I teach courses on Udemy and my own company. You can take my courses in project management, PMP, agile, business analysis, product owner, product management, and AI, artificial intelligence. That's some of the courses I teach, and I will be very happy to help you get certified and get more knowledge. Every month I do classes. You can register for our courses on our site, www.strategisminc.com, or you can contact us by sending an email at contact@strategisminc.com. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and do contact us. You can call me on my number 415-377-7536 and leave a text, as I get a lot of calls, hundreds of them. Thank you so much, and have a bright future, and be excited and keep building and living in the future that you want to create for yourself.